Hello everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who visited your profile on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the three icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on Visitor. And that's it. This is how you see who visited your profile on BuzzCast. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.